Hello, my name is Grace Ibidu. I want to talk about the web list tool for this video. The web list tool allows you to create a list that you can easily share with your students and even teachers alike, and probably with your friends too, using a single URL. And it's a list that would have a collection of things from the web. Could have web pages, could have images and documents, it could be videos on a particular unit you want to talk about in the class. If you look at the left hand corner of the screen, you see some categories listed out here as topics that you could create a web list for to use probably sometimes in the future to teach in class. For this video, and of course, if you don't want to, if your unit is not in the list, you can still create create a list for yourself if you can't find your unit in the category listed out here. So for me, I'm going to be talking about transportation, and it allows me to have a list name, and I'll be able to add any information I want, and also have the privilege of getting information from the web, or an image from my computer to upload, or a text, document, a video, or a file to attach, just to make the list as rich as possible for the class. For this video, I'm going to be talking about transportation. I'm going to be talking about transportation, and here I'll click to add additional setting. Transportation is a list name, and it's going to be a means of movement, from one point to another. You could tag it if you want, or just leave it. And also you have options here. I wanted to show items on the page, so I'll click on that and I'll update, and it adds it to that. So I'll get down here where I can add items to my list. I first want to go to the web to get more information on transportation, and if I click on here, it brings me to this window where I'm supposed to put in my the URL address to create my web pages. And you could have as many web pages as you desire on this page before you click next. So I'll go to Google to get some more information, and I'm going to click transportation, and let me say transportation methods. Okay, transportation methods. And when it brings me here, I want to talk about, here we have mode of transportation. I'll go down until I get to where I wanted. Okay, I'll click on this for US methods of transportation. If I click on this, it takes me to a page where I would have information about transportation in the US. Just copy out the web page, and I come back to my recording and put this right here, and I could go back again if I want to add some more information. I come back to the web page and get some other information on transportation, and this time I want to look at images on transportation. Let me just click images from the top here. It brings out a lot of images on transportation, so I just make a choice. Let me just make a choice here, and I copy out the link address. I go back to my page and also add it to my list. Oh, this is a little bit long, so I'm going to reduce the address and then delete that. So I want to work with this two for now. So it brings me to this page where I can add titles and put a description of what information I have represented here. And so here I have the information that talks about the mode of transportation in the US. So I'm going to title it methods. I'm going to say different methods of transportation in America. Then I come here also. The second web address I copied is an image, and the image also shows different means of transportation. Transportation, sorry. So I'm going to add this to the list, and when I come back here, whatever I've added to the list of transportation, it brings it to the screen. And when you put your cursor on the file here, it tells you or shows you exactly what you have. If I go to the second one, it shows me what the file is all about. Then I have the option of saving this to my list, and it automatically saves it and creates a file under transportation with all the items I have. And if I want to go ahead and add videos and other information, I'll just click on any one, and it also add it up here. So but I want to work with this for now. And one beautiful thing about the web list is that you could always update your list and have as many things as you desire in your list. And here it shows me all that I have for transportation on my list. So I could close this, and here we are. It has created the page for me, the means of movement from one point to the other, and it has shown me the two files I copied here, such that anytime I want to teach on transportation, I'll just go back, click on this, and it shows me every information I need about the methods. If I want to use an image to teach, I also come here and it gives me the image. And if I have a video or any other information, it all comes here under transportation. And once I am done with transportation and the list, I keep it. And if I want to create another list for another topic, for another unit, I go back to create your own list, and it brings me back to a fresh page where I can create another list and do some other stuff here. But I'm not creating another list. This is what I'm going to talk about on this video. But this is just to give us an idea on how to use the web list for any unit you want to talk about. So I hope you will enjoy this as you watch. Thank you.